are all looking for adventure. We 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 are all looking for adventure.
Good morning, everyone. How are you? Welcome to the glorious Gold Coast. Bit chilly this morning, got my jumper on, but sun's out. It's absolutely beautiful. We're literally right by the beach, and I just want to talk to you about a new series that I'm running, and it's going to be about reviewing products. Say reviewing not just products, but just van life things in general, stuff that makes life a little easier. And it's going to be called Cool or Crap. And so basically it's going to get a rating. It's either going to have one of these or it's going to get this. And I've got a couple of things that I've been trialing over the last few weeks or so, and I'm gonna talk to you about them today. And they're either gonna be or they're gonna be. Anyway, let's get going. Now, Australia is renowned for its bugs. So the first thing we're going to be trying today, I've been trying this over the last few months or so. I've given it a few months. And what it is, it's a USB powered bug catcher. And basically inside the bottom of the the top of the bug catcher here is some, I suppose they're meant to be ultraviolet lights, LED lights. And so what happens is the mozzie or whatever it might be flies in through the center of the this little circle here, and at the bottom, in the bottom, there's a fan, probably looks like a computer fan, and they fly into the center there, and then the fan sucks them down into the little catching tray. And goodbye mozzie or sandfly or midgie or whatever it might be. Been trying it for a few months, and well, it's this. It's crap. Yep, it's absolutely crap. Doesn't work. Hasn't caught a single mozzie. So basically a waste of time. Don't bother with one of these things. Now probably what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to take it apart and just recycle the parts out of it. Take the fan out, maybe use the fan for the fridge, and maybe do something with the LEDs. So that's the aim. At the end of the day, it's crap. Now, the second thing that I've got for you today is this little black plate. And basically this little black plate is what's called a defrosting plate. And so, you know, in the van, I don't have a microwave. They draw a lot of power, they take up a lot of space. Sometimes I'm not great at taking stuff out to be defrosted earlier on, so I thought I would try this defrosting plate. So basically what you do is you take your whatever it is out of the freezer and you place it on this defrosting plate, and it defrosts in literally half the time that it would normally take to defrost if you just sat it on a plate or whatever. Now you might think that it's a bit far-fetched, however, I've got some video 2 ice cubes, one on the defrosting plate and one just on a normal plate, and it works. It's pretty amazing. It does defrost things a lot quicker than what they would be if they were out in the outside. So here is the video. So as you can see, 2 ice cubes. One on the left is the one on the defrosting plate. The one on the right is just on a bit of tissue paper and the plate. And literally look at the speed of the one on the left melting. It was not a warm day, so it was an average temperature day, and you can see it's literally melted in a tenth of the time. The other one really hasn't even started to melt yet. This definitely gets this. I have got these for sale on the website if you want one. Otherwise you can just Google them. They're basically defrosting plates, and excellent. I love it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I've just got my headset on. It's a bit windy today. I hope you found it useful. Obviously these little gizzits can be used at home as well, not just in the van. They're very handy. So I love that defrosting plate. Now just going to quickly show you where my office is today. And this is at Southport Spit and the Broadwater, the Gold Coast Broadwater. Now this is my normal spot, so if you're down on the Gold Coast at the Spit, pop in. So thanks for watching again. Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget our Facebook and Instagram, which is Baby Boomer Backpackers. Ooh, and look at this coming up here. Very nice. However, it doesn't compare to this. See you later, guys. Take care. Stay safe.
Hello world, wake me up to another good